Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to be a great trader with a support and resistance, how to master your pair with the support and resistance. So how to make good money using only support and resistance and trend line to make good money, either on forex or on HFX. I'll show you right now how it works. It's pretty easy. So right now I'm on GBP, pair. So what I'm gonna do, the first thing I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna looking for the trend, right? So right now I see a nice trend that's going up right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the trend line and I'm gonna mark up my chart from here to here. I see a nice trend that's going here. So let me fix that. I see a nice trend that's going from here to here. Okay, so it's a nice trend right here. If I want to extend it, I can definitely do so, right? So I have a nice trend going here. This is 4 hour time frame, right? So you want to see the move on a bigger time frame first. So this is a 4 hour time frame. We see that we're on the uptrend right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna look at the big support and resistance. So I'm gonna choose a support, which is a horizontal line, big support and resistance. And then the best way to do support and resistance is to have a, let me unpin this thing. Okay, is to have online chart. That's what I like. So you can have your chart, online chart, then you can see those nice point of reversal zone, right? So I'm gonna put a resistance line here. I'm gonna put another resistance line here. Then I'm gonna put another resistance line around here. I'm gonna put another support line here and another support here. So I don't want to fill up my chart with a lot of support and resistance, but the most important is where the market is right now. That's what we're worrying about. So I have another support here, another support at this area, which is same as the trend line. So I'm gonna change the trend line color to make it different, So here will be my trend line. Okay, so here is the trend line, and these are the support on the bottom, and then we have the resistance line on top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on a 1 hour time frame and see what's really going on. So first thing is I'm gonna show you how to use these support resistance on your HFX, on your binary, and then you can definitely use it on a bigger time frame on your daily forex trading. So right here I look at to see, okay, break this support is retesting right now. So I'm still going on line chart to see here the market as a reverse at this level. Okay, we can see that here, you can see that here we touch, so it's a great confirmation. Okay, so here let's see, he has touch here, touch here. So if you break down here, the next level might be that one. So I'm gonna put another resistance and support here. It's great point of reversal when it at the same time as a support and a resistance. So this is a great confirmation. So we're on a 1 hour time frame, right? So this is perfect. You don't want to bother yourself for a lot of chart. What we want to do next, now we want to put on the candlestick, right? I put on candlestick, and then I go on 15 minutes. I see what's going on. We have a low here, we have a high here, right? So what I'm gonna do, I will take my fib. I'll take my Fibonacci fib at this level, and then I'll place it from the bottom to the top because we are on an uptrend. So we put from the bottom right here to the top, okay, for the whole top right here. And then once you do that, you can definitely know the reversal zone. So the 61.8 here, 61% is a great reversal zone. See where the market came 50%, and it came down here at this zone 78%. It went back at 61, came down, break. When he broke this, it did, what happened? He came all the way here to 23%. So those zone of field are the gray zone for the reversal on the market. So here, yeah, the 100% is going down. So if this market has to come down, what's gonna happen is your market's gonna be moving like this. Let me use another tools. Let me use the Elliott wave, for example. Okay, I'm gonna use the Elliott wave. If the market has to come down from here, it might react to most likely to this Fibonacci area, like that. Go up a little bit to another resistance. Come all the way down here. React. Come to this area, react, and then keep reacting at those level. But 61.8 definitely is gonna react there if he has to come down. So he has to, so as soon as the market, the chart leave your Fibonacci, I mean your Fibonacci is not valid anymore. You need to place another Fibonacci right there. So okay, that's how it's gonna work pretty much. So if you want to trade on the forex, you really know where you can enter the market. So you can wait for the market to either start coming down, retest, going up, broke this line, retest that, and then you can take it for yourself, right? So it's the same thing when you're trading on a HFX, high frequency forex. So what you want to do, you have your Fibonacci that's already there. You go on lower time frame. I don't know what time frame you trade on, but I trade on 5 and 3 minute, even sometimes lower time frame. So you go on 5 minute, you see the Fibonacci is still valid, right? Because I put my Fibonacci on 15 minutes. You can put your Fibonacci on 5 minutes if you want as well, right? But it's still gonna be the same Fibonacci because it's gonna be the same low from the same low to the same high. Okay, so once it's like that, look at guys what's happening here. The market come, retest, rebounds, and market went up here at this Fibonacci level 0%. Now it's coming down. The most likely we know that the market will come down here. So if you're trading on lower time frame, what you want to do, you want to spark all the resistance, like from here, right here, for example, right? So we know that if the market's coming up here, is gonna hit this level and come down. So as soon as the market hit that level, you go on your HFX broker and then you press sell. Easy, right? Because right now we know that this market is coming down. For the market to really reverse and go back up, it has to at least have a strong support, and or the strong support most likely is a Fibonacci retracement zone, or it's gonna keep coming down and then reacting at those level. So a 5 minute, we see what's going on. We can even go on 1 minute time frame to see what's going on. So it's pretty much the same one with the higher time frame as well, right? You want to trade in higher time frame, you're on 15 minutes or 1 hour, you can see what's happening here. The market is getting ready to come down. So as long as the market doesn't break above here, you're good. So market is getting ready to come down here. So we can see on 1 hour what happened. This candle just broke it with we call this engulfing candle, the small candle and then the big candle. So what's gonna happen? Most likely, this candle will maybe retest at this support resistance zone here and then start continue coming down. You guys see, might go and retest that with a wick and then start coming down. So that's pretty much how it works. So if you are on lower time frame, those candles act pretty much the same. So we just have to see that and either sell or buy. Okay. So this is a support and resistance trend line. First thing you need to do is to place your trend to know exactly where the market is going, right? So right now we are in a retracement zone. We don't have a clearly a trend here, but we have a trend on a bigger time frame, which is 4 hours, right? We have a bigger time frame here, which is 4 hours that the market's going up. Okay, so right, that's how pretty much how it works. Try that, and then you will let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and then see you in my next video.